A beginner's guide to dominating outdoor advertising with digital signage displays. As a beginner in the world of advertising, you may wonder where to start and how to make a significant impact. Outdoor advertising, also known as out-of-home advertising, offers a powerful and effective way to reach a large audience. Whether it's on busy streets, at bus stops, or in shopping malls, outdoor advertising captures the attention of potential customers as they go about their day. Digital signage displays are electronic screens that display dynamic content such as images, videos, and information. These displays come in various sizes and can be mounted in outdoor locations to reach a wider audience. From choosing the right display to creating captivating content, every aspect plays a vital role in the success of outdoor digital signage. Unlike online or print advertising, outdoor ads cannot be skipped, blocked, or ignored. They are an unavoidable part of the urban environment, making them an integral component of any comprehensive marketing strategy. By harnessing the power of outdoor advertising, businesses can increase brand visibility, drive foot traffic, and create lasting impressions on potential customers. Digital outdoor advertising monitors are designed to withstand various weather conditions while maintaining optimal display quality. Additionally, outdoor advertising totems and kiosks provide interactive touchpoints for customers, enhancing their overall experience with the brand. These versatile structures can be strategically placed in high-traffic areas to deliver targeted messages and provide valuable information. Whether it's showcasing product features, offering wayfinding assistance, or enabling interactive experiences, outdoor advertising totems and kiosks amplify the effectiveness of digital signage displays. The impact of digital advertising signs on outdoor advertising cannot be overstated. Unlike traditional static billboards, digital advertising signs allow for flexibility in content delivery, enabling businesses to tailor their messaging based on time of day, weather conditions, or audience demographics. This level of customization and personalization elevates the effectiveness of outdoor advertising, making it a formidable force in the marketing landscape. Utilizing digital business signs for outdoor advertising. These digital displays serve as virtual storefronts, attracting potential customers and influencing their purchasing decisions. Whether it's a retail store, restaurant, or service-oriented business, digital business signs create an immersive and engaging outdoor advertising experience. Strategies for effective outdoor digital signs for business. By analyzing foot traffic patterns, consumer demographics, and local trends, businesses can tailor their outdoor digital signage content to resonate with their target audience. Implementing dynamic content that is relevant, timely, and visually appealing is crucial for capturing attention and driving engagement. Additionally, integrating interactive elements such as QR codes, touch screens, or social media integration can further enhance the effectiveness of outdoor digital signs for business. Exploring the use of digital signs in schools. Whether it's displaying important announcements, event schedules, or showcasing student achievements, digital signs in schools serve as a dynamic communication tool. These digital displays create a vibrant and engaging environment for students, staff, and visitors, while also promoting school activities and initiatives. Best practices for outdoor digital display signs. Choosing the right location for digital displays based on foot traffic, visibility, and environmental factors is critical for reaching the target audience effectively. Additionally, creating visually compelling and concise content that aligns with the brand's messaging and objectives is vital for capturing attention and driving action. Regular maintenance, content updates, and performance monitoring are also key best practices to uphold the longevity and effectiveness of outdoor digital display signs. As technology continues to advance, the future of outdoor advertising is undoubtedly intertwined with the evolution of digital signs outdoor. The integration of artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and data analytics will further revolutionize the capabilities of outdoor digital signage displays. From personalized advertising experiences to seamless integration with mobile devices, the future holds endless possibilities for outdoor advertising with digital signs. With the advent of digital signage displays, outdoor advertising has transcended traditional boundaries, offering a dynamic and immersive platform to engage with audiences. By understanding the basics of digital signage, harnessing the power of outdoor advertising, utilizing the right tools and equipment, and implementing effective strategies, businesses can truly dominate the outdoor advertising space. For professional advice on leveraging digital signage for outdoor advertising, contact SunTune today and take the first step towards transforming your outdoor advertising campaigns.